Hello there mga ka-kitchen! Today is very special because I have reached 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing and sharing my videos. And thank you for taking part in this journey. I am grateful the way this channel has given me opportunity to connect with all of you who are equally passionate with cooking. Maraming salamat po. Today, let me show you how to cook chicken barbecue bun. For the bun, we need the following ingredients: 2 eggs, warm milk, flour, melted butter, egg white, sugar, salt, instant dry yeast, and another sugar. For the filling, we need the following ingredients: minced chicken breast, sesame oil, onion, garlic, soy sauce, barbecue sauce, oyster sauce, cornstarch, chili flakes, ground pepper, and sugar. To start, add sugar to your warm milk. And the yeast. Mix it well. And set aside. Now you can add eggs to your melted butter. Mix it well and set aside. And then add salt and sugar to your flour. Mix it well. And make a well. Then add all wet ingredients to your flour. Mix it well until you achieve this texture, and then leave it for 45 minutes until it doubles its size. For the filling, add pinch of garlic, sesame oil, barbecue sauce, soy sauce, oyster sauce, cornstarch, sugar, ground pepper, and chili flakes. Then mix it well. And let's start cooking. Add oil to your heated pan. Add onion. Okay. Add garlic. Then add your chicken mixture. And cook it for 15 minutes. Now it's cooked. Set aside to cool it down. After 45 minutes, the dough doubled its size. Make sure to remove the air. You need to knead it for 5 minutes. Cut it into two. Make a log and divide each log into 6 equal sizes. Make a bowl and flatten it. And add 1/2 tablespoon of chicken filling. Brush it with egg white and leave it for 30 minutes. Preheat your oven at 180 degrees and cook it for 20 minutes. This is my chicken barbecue bun. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.